Here's another option. We created this just as a concept, but it's a PO vendor gateway. So imagine that you have vendors in faraway places. Sometimes they are going to put together a letter of credit and containers and things like that, and they're going to ship it to you. What do? They put it all in a spreadsheet and email you, and then you have to rekey it into Macola. So what if all that work remotely could be done in a WiSys grid? Again, it's a browser component. When I look at this particular component, it's just one vendor. So this company can't see anybody else's information in your Macola, just their stuff that they're providing to you. And then there's a couple of columns in here. We've added a couple columns to provide some information about what's going on with these items on these POs. Let's try this item. So I'll come back and turn on the gateway. So the gateway might just be one component on your desktop. You bring it up and you go for some relevant data here. So here is an item I will look at. This one. All right, so I'm going to say it's going to arrive next month by the 30th. I'm going to confirm that information, and then I'm going to put a comment in here. Letter of credit and container. Maybe I need to shorten this up a little bit. Something like that. And when I step off this line and click update, again, you have to get things just right and process it. So now that particular line on that PO has been updated in your Macola database. So just think about that and how you could use it with some of your faraway vendors.